right, I'm the Flat Rate Master. Today we're talking about, well, really stubby, big Torx sockets. All right, so we're talking about the Nano 10-piece 3/8 drive Nano Impact Torx sockets. Part number 94410T. Now, most of the kit is a waste of money. I'm gonna be honest with you. It's not really that useful. The Vim socket in T50 by the Vim kit. I'll have it linked in the description. Very stubby, comes in handy a lot, but that's as high as that set goes. Where this kit really shines is T55, literally as tall as the chrome bit. That's how stubby these are. That's T55. T60 is even shorter. And well, T70 just blows it out of the water. Now T70 is still 3/8. T70 in most drives is going to be a 1/2-inch drive. If you're working in a situation where this will not fit, this is going to be invaluable for, well, getting in there and getting that loose. As long as you don't break your ratchet. Maybe a concern, but you know, it's going to be really clutch in certain situations where you've got a big Torx bolt to take loose, but no clearance. Awesome. The kit's not that expensive. You might use the other ones occasionally, but when it comes to the big boys, definitely good stuff to have. Astro stands behind their products. They're really good about warranty. The Amazon store is, I think, their store, so you're buying it from them. So lifetime warranty on this kind of stuff. So honestly, the smaller sizes, like I said, get the Vim kit, but on the big boys, these will be game changers. I've run into so many times where these will not fit and I'm trying to do some, flat rate stuff. And so these are huge. I know there's probably some other options out there, but these are the ones I found and it's Astro Pneumatic, so not worried about them. Not sponsored, by the way. This is not a sponsored video. I bought them on Amazon. Just thought they'd be useful. So hope you enjoyed this video. As always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.